Hello, hello, hello everyone. So tonight I'm going to, I have these vases from the Dollar Tree, and one I spray painted white and one I spray painted black. So we're going to do some alcohol inks on them and see. I know they're not real, they're a little wonky on my turner, so. So I have a bunch of blues. This one is Cobalt, Glacier, Monsoon, Cloudy Blue. Then I have a copper, my pearl. You guys know I love my pearl, and white, and alcohol. So I'm going to see how this turns out. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, and we're just going to wing it. So I'm going to add the dark blue first. Okay. And then we're going to come in with the Glacier. I know you guys probably cannot see it at all. Okay, and then we're going to do the Monsoon. Okay. And then the Cloudy Blue. We're going to see how this works. I saw someone else do this, and I wanted to try it, so we'll see. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back on top of that with the white. And let's see if it comes to life. Like I said, this does not do real well on this tumbler, or on this cup turner. But you can see the colors are starting to come alive here. And I will add some alcohol as well. And see what happens. All right. I like the darker blues. I'm not so sure about the lighter blues. So the white just really makes it kind of come to life. Like I said, I'm not really digging that light blue. I'm going to add some more of the dark blue. I'm going to add some of that up here. We'll see what we get. Again, I'm going to come in with some of that white. And this does not like these. And then I thought I would try adding some copper. Let's find that there. Okay. Come back with some copper and see how that does. Ooh, look at that. I'm liking it. And I'm okay with some of the black showing through. I'm not usually a copper girl, but I'm liking it. Okay, so now, let's see if we can get this to stay on here. that's just going to turn and do its thing. So we're going to do the same colors on the white one. Take it a little further up. Okay. So that was the cobalt. And then here is the monsoon. And hope it doesn't fall off. And then this glacier. And that one seems like it wants to fall off. Oh, we'll hope it doesn't. Okay, and we'll come with the white. That might look totally different. It is going to look totally different on this white base versus the black. Let's add some of that alcohol ink, or the alcohol. Get that ink running. This does not want to stay on here. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay. All right, let's add a little bit more of that white. And come back with that copper. I know this is going to fall off. Turn this off. I'm not going to buy any more of this shape of vase because it just does not want to cooperate. Let me get a new glove. But you can see the difference. We used the same colors. One was a black base and one was the white base. So based on just using a different base color, you can get a totally different look. Okay. Okay, let's add some more blue up here. Just does not want to turn. And I know it's the weight of this vase. Try that a little bit. Got a spot right there. And I know it's because of this turner. Sorry, guys. Not cooperating. Okay. So like I said, you can see I used the same colors. They're looking pretty similar, but obviously this one's darker. liking that. That's more copper up here. Like I said, I am not going to buy this shape anymore. I do want to make sure it gets on the end here. There we go. So it kind of drips on the bottom. Alright guys, that's it for me. I just wanted to come on and do this quick live and show the different colors. Like I said, this is the last time you'll see this vase shape because it does not want to cooperate. I hope you enjoyed it.